Okay guys, welcome back to Monster Tutor, and today I went to Target again for the second time in a row. I got the monster mutt that I needed for mix 38. So now all I need is a dragon and the chase, right? Which the chase I probably won't never get. Here's monster mutt dalmatian, that's the 3D body. Red roll cage, guys. Same box as always. Further ado, let's go ahead and open this. Alright. And I'm glad they finally put Monster Mutt's ears down the Dalmatian. I'm really glad. So here guys, we know the black and white Dalmatian we know and love. Red roll cage, black tires, black rims, and bead locks. Doesn't have a clear coat. Some of them don't have clear coats. Some do, some don't. Which is weird. There's the tongue. The ears are finally down this one, which I like that better. The teeth on the side. Has a red chassis as well. There's Monster Mutt Dalmatian at the back right here. Rubbery tail. It's pretty cool. Monster Jam logo. So that's it, guys. I only got one because they don't have anything else that I wanted. Like, subscribe, comment, share. There's more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.